that's it. But
So
that's not even moral.
synthesis for you is to stay involved, stay conscious, stay aware,
Yes,
participate,
yes,
and continue to create.
absolutely. If you don't stop creating, you're dead. The day I will say,
Well, there are people perhaps that would disagree with you.
oh, no, no, come on, come on. If you don't keep, I'm old enough to have seen a lot of things,
Yes.
including people who give up at, they are out of their job for one reason, even retiring at, let's say, 55, and at 57, they're dead.
Yes.
They're dead.
Yes,
Why?
people do.
Why? I knew a man very well who was an engineer on one of the nicest night trains in Paris. He retired at, I believe, 55, and that's what I said. 57, he was dead. He was so bored,
Yes.
not having his locomotive,
Yes.
that he could not make it.
Hmm.
So it's where, if you are not able to switch,
But it seems as if you found a really brilliant solution, which is that you're not one person, you're many people with many things that wish to be expressed. So utilizing all of those keeps you vibrant, keeps you alive, keeps you active, keeps you young.
yeah, but you are talking an ideal situation, because I don't know if that friend was able to do what you are saying. He was not maybe able to do anything else but drive a locomotive.
His path
So
is
when he
path.
was out of his locomotive, he has nothing else.
Yes.
He has absolutely nothing else. No intellectual
Yes.
life, no whatever you want.
Yes.
To survive, it's where I say, if you stop being active in any way, even if it's your hands, that you have a project with your hands for the rest of your life.
Yes.
But you have to say that you go on, like if you were not old. If you said, oh, I am so old, I could say, come on,
Yes.
hey, no kidding, I'm 87. I'm too old to do anything at all. I just watch television all day. I'm dead. I am dead.
So for you, what would you say is the main thing that has kept you active, that's enabled you to age well?
My mind.
Say more.
My mind, because I spend my time creating things. Like I completely wrote the philosophy for a new vision, a new political vision, not only the philosophy, but the program.
Yeah. Okay. I have one last official question, then we'll continue talking as well. What do you feel is the most misunderstood thing about aging? What is it that people don't know, that you know, that you've discovered, that you'd like to share?
I don't know. It's very difficult to say, but you always have the feeling that young people consider old people like their life is done.
Yes.
Yeah, many young people look at the old people like
Don't see them.
It's over. They don't see them.
They don't
no,
see
no,
them.
they don't see them. It's
Yes.
over. There should be example of people who are all close to, I was even saying Michelangelo. Michelangelo is sculpting, some of his best thing, he was 90, I don't know what.
Yes.
Titian, 100 years old. But usually people, that's old people, we just, they're just on the side, yeah,
Yes.
we'll take care of them eventually.
Yes.
But that's it. And maybe old people don't do also. Too many old people feel old,
Yes.
and that was the worst thing that you can do, because
maybe-
then you gave up, and you gave up even in front of a young person. If the whole people were manifesting themselves maybe a little more
Yes.
than they do. You always people on the corner of the chimney. Now with the television, now it's the television.
Yes.
And that's it. That's all they are able to do. So old people should react against that.
Okay. Two more questions come to mind. One, any thoughts about global community? Any thoughts about the global village the world has become?
Yeah, if you read my little booklet, you will say
Yes.
that I propose the world community. It's not to give the example of the European community, but in some ways, yes. Germany and France have been at war for centuries.
Yes.
there will never be any more war between Germany and France. They are in a community.
Yes.
So the only solution to save the world, if I can say so, would be a world community. But it also requires that some make some, have to restrain. You have to make some sacrifices to belong to the community. But that would be the only solution, and with no world government.
Yes.
Because the world government could be taken over by the next tank passing by. No,
but all of it by consensus.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yes.
And that is the proposal that I make.
Okay. Okay.
So that answers your question.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And my last question, what can we expect next from you, Michel? What's next for you in terms of art, in terms of music, in terms of politics, in terms of what you're going to produce? What's next?
I'm going to create a political movement. I already have a staff for that. I already have a lot of people with me. Means
a
that
grassroots movement.
Yeah, absolutely, because in the United States you cannot create a political party. But I have all the plans very, very organized, and now that I've published that, you have it. It's the first out. This morning it came out.
Yes.
So now my step 2 is to translate that into realities.
Okay.
Take the painting. I know what I want to paint. I have the panel. I have the brushes and the painting.
Yes.
And now I'm going to paint it.
Wonderful.
No, come on. and well, I'm not somebody special, but the only thing I can say to old people, don't feel old or you're
So
dead.
what do you attribute your aliveness to? You have a great amount of aliveness, more than most young people.
I never went to see a doctor.
You never
Went to see a doctor.
went to see a doctor?
No, never. That's maybe my secret.
Because
if you're going to see a doctor, you're dead. You don't that, you're sick.
you let your body take care of itself.
Absolutely.
It's its job.
Absolutely. I eat as much butter as I want.
Wonderful.
But I don't drink coffee.
You don't drink coffee?
No, I don't drink coffee. I am reasonable in everything if you want. But I take no special care of anything. I take vitamins, of course.
Yes.
But that's it. This is it.
Wonderful.
I don't even exercise all day long, in one of those machines. Absolutely not.
Great. Well, thank you very much.
It's more difficult. It's more difficult to say, hey, I'm nevertheless coming to the end of it. You have to accept. One thing that you have to accept is the idea of death. And not consider that as a drama. It's part of it. It's absolutely part of it. So after that, but your religion said you do it, whatever it is your religion said you will be or you will become, whatever. But you have to accept the idea that physically speaking, there will be a stop.
Yes.
But until that stop, why not keep alive?
Yes.
And keep alive is to keep active, not once more 24 hours in front of the television with a head like that because they tell you all what they can tell you. Come on.
Yes. I often consider death the elephant in the living room that everyone walks around and pretends isn't there up until the moment it happens. But what it does is stop them from living fully.
Yeah, absolutely.
Because it takes up all the room.
Yeah.
That fear.
Absolutely. But the one thing is, in my opinion, certain. If you don't get interested in something,
Yes.
whatever it is, forget it. Have hobbies, have whatever, physical, intellectual, spiritual, whatever you want, but have something. Otherwise,
And participate in life.
and participate in life as much as you can. Absolutely, there is a lot of things that old people can participate to. It's a difficult stage of life to be old.
Okay.
That's it.
Thank you very much. It was a pleasure.
That's it.